Hey G-Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, this cool amazing one right here, and basically what this is an aux cable that is used for your iPhone device. If you can see, they do have the lightning output right here. So you plug that side onto your iOS device that supports lightning adapter, and the other side right here you can plug in your aux cable if you still use headphones or whatever. So this is basically what it looks like right here. Let me actually open up and show you guys what's included inside first. Alright, so when you guys first open the product, you see that they do provide you guys a user guide to teach you guys how to use it and how to maintain the product. And then right underneath that, you guys can see the actual product right here. So this part right here is the lightning output, and right here is the aux output right here. So for this cable right here, it definitely is much higher quality than your Apple cable for your aux cable that you guys get from Apple, which is pretty nice. So literally all you guys need to do is just plug this into your phone, just like this. And other side here, and plug in like your headphone jack or your aux cable right here. So that is basically how you use the product right here. Let me actually do a quick test to show you guys when it actually works. Alright, so I'm gonna use this speaker right here to test out the aux output to see when it actually works. So first thing I'm gonna do is plug this inside right here, and then the other side I'm gonna plug in the aux cable that we have right here onto the speaker. Alright, so I'm gonna plug this side in right here, and the other side I'm gonna plug it onto my speaker right here. Alright, so we got plugged in. Let's turn it on.
Power on. Auxiliary mode.
Alright, so we have it on. Let's test it out and see what actually works. Alright, so you can definitely see the aux cable definitely does work. So I just want to plug it into like a headphone, your speaker, or some other device that can support a aux cable, then definitely use it. So now that you guys saw a quick test of the product, definitely see it actually does work, and it works quite well. Super easy to use. Literally all you need to do is plug in this part right here, and then plug in the headphone right here as well, and then just start using the product to listen to music, or you're plugging a microphone on here to record stuff as well. I definitely love this cable a lot because it feels so much more higher quality than your typical cables that you get from the iPhone brand when you guys first purchase the phone. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that you're unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So obviously for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is super worth it if you guys want one or need one of these, especially if you have to try and look for a headphone jack for your iPhone device. Then you should definitely get this one right here because it's probably one of the highest quality aux cable that I've seen so far for the iPhone device, especially since it is non-braided as well, like I mentioned. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have this one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.